What's up, friends? I woke up today and decided today is the day that I'm gonna take this bike out for its first ride. So I finished up most of the wiring. Put the chain back on. And honestly, I'm ready to send it. Still don't have a way to measure the amount of energy that I'm using, or I can't tell how much energy is left. So I'm charging the bike right now. I don't think I'm gonna wait till it's full, because it's just taking too long at 4 amps. The battery was pretty low to begin with. But yeah, I'm just gonna take it out. I won't go too far. Just in case something happens. Hopefully it doesn't explode into flames. Pretty sure that every bolt is tight. I don't see anything loose. I haven't found anything loose, so I'm gonna strap a GoPro on the helmet so I can get some good footage. And I've got the Kelly app on my phone, so I'll be able to view data in real time from the motor controller. I have not yet changed the controller firmware to allow for field weakening, so I'm gonna be limited in my top speed or RPM of the motor. There's nothing holding me back from doing that. I haven't done it. I kind of wanted to ride the bike, before I change the settings so that I have some data to compare, have some data before and after. All right, enough talking. Let's check the voltage and see where we're at. All right, let's see. Where are we at? How much voltage do we have? We're sitting at 0 volts. 83, 82, 82.2. Fully charged, we hit about 84 volts, so we're close to that top end of the battery, so I feel good about that. All right, guys, see you on the other side. Here we go. That was about 0 to 28 miles an hour in 4 seconds-ish, which isn't terrible. Ah, yes, here I am, the victim of a loose chain. I'm gonna have to do something about that. And cue the montage of me fixing the chain tension. Next, it was time to try the bike off-road.
Pigeon? It's a pigeon.
Here's some more footage of me urban dirt biking. I have tons of footage, but I don't want to bore you guys. So I just got back from the first ride, and I wanted to go over some notes from that. So as you saw in the video, I did a combination of street and off-road today. The bike performed really well. It's an absolute torque monster. That 240 Newton meters plus of torque at the wheel is phenomenal. The front end definitely wants to lift off the ground when you pin the throttle, which isn't a bad thing. Temperatures looked great. Motor temps saw about 45 C max, and the motor controller never got above 30 C. Now, the top speed is a problem. You can see in the video, it goes from 0 to about 30 miles an hour real quick, but it caps off around 30. And part of that is the gearing. I mean, it is geared for acceleration, not top speed. And due to the fact that I'm not running field weakening right now, so my top speed is severely limited. You know, the motor's not seeing more than 2,800 RPM, and I need closer to 4,000 to 4,500 to be able to get above 45 miles per hour. The battery performed great. Never had any issues with cutout. Never had any issues with voltage sag. I'm not sure yet, you know, what my range will be with this bike, but I would definitely say over 25 miles, and I did probably, I don't know, 5 to 10 miles today. There's always more work to do. I got to change the software to add field weakening, and I need to add the electronics and microcontroller so that I can coulomb count, so I know how much energy I'm using. There's always something. But I'm counting today as a success because it didn't burn to the ground and it didn't blow up, and it still works. I don't always get to say that when I'm working on a new project. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. I'm hungry, and I'm going to go find a beer. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and smash that like button. Maybe subscribe. I got more content coming. Follow me on Instagram, where I'm posting all kinds of other stuff you're not going to get on YouTube. I've got a Twitter, too. I don't really use it, but it's there. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and be safe out there.